This is how much I have made so far on realized profit, investing in Alibaba, or should I call it trading Alibaba. Okay, I have a small portfolio that I have about $820 or so, that I put in as capital, and this portfolio is dedicated only to Alibaba. I really want to see how much this money is going to get to. I opened a position with X5. I'm going to be showing you guys all in this video, and of course I will be talking about three other instruments that I am bullish on right now. I believe most of you guys know that China, over the past weeks have been going through hell. Anybody that is invested in any Chinese stock must be seeing a lot of drawdown. But the thing is, we buy low, we sell high. Okay, I mean, stocks like Alibaba don't normally come down easily except if there is a bad news, and I think there is a possibility that this news that is going on right now with China, or perhaps it is already over, is a good opportunity for anybody that wants to invest in Chinese stock. Okay, because there's a possibility that the next time we are going to see something like this is going to be in the next 5 years. So now let me show you guys more about this small portfolio. As you guys can see right here, I have about right now $777 total allocated, okay, to Alibaba, and Alibaba is the only thing I have in this portfolio. So I opened a position in last month. You guys can see 24th of September. I opened this position around 145 US dollars. That was the price that Alibaba was trading in, and right now I am up about 35.86% on this position. I mean, the take profit is far further away, like 513. Of course I am following the news, so if there is any bad news or whatever, I will just close this position and I'll take profit and move the money perhaps to Bionano Genomics. Okay, so in this video is just about Alibaba, about three other instruments that I'll be showing you guys the technical analysis, some instruments that I believe are about to break out. If you guys have any spare fund, you might want to put it into this instrument. So let's get to it. What up, investors? My name is Dayo. Welcome to Frunkla Investment. If you guys enjoyed this video and you would love me to talk more about this, about the fundamental analysis, because this is mostly about technical analysis, I don't want this video to be too long. Of course, there are tons of information out there. If you want to find out more about Alibaba, for example, you can find a lot of videos or news out there or articles. Okay, so this is only about technical analysis. Now, this is Alibaba. We are going to be starting with Alibaba. As you guys can see, if you go to the weeklies, okay, I mean, this stock has been hammered heavily. Look at that. Last week we end with this spinning bottom. Okay, this is the same thing that we saw on the 22nd of August, and I mean, if you guys zoom a little bit, you can easily see that last week was more or less a indication that we have reached the bottom. Okay, you guys can see that this is the bottom from 2018, 2019, and even dating back to 2017. So I mean, that was why I opened that position around 145 last month. When we got to this price last month, I opened that position, and there is a possibility that this is the beginning of a massive rally in Alibaba. I mean, this is not financial advice. If you guys first of all, do your own due diligence before you put your money into this. Okay, so I believe there's a possibility that this stock is about to rally. Okay, we are talking about minimum 5x. Okay, so this is Alibaba we're talking about, and if you put in your Fibonacci, you guys can easily tell that, I mean, there is a possibility that this is just the beginning. The first Fibonacci level is at 206, and we have a lot of buyers. Okay, a lot of people are trapped, okay, at this level. Even at this $300 level, you guys can see that on the 8th of November last year, we saw that massive sell-off. A lot of people got trapped around this level. So I mean, right now I am using leverage, and I'm not gonna take any profit at least until I see 200 US dollars. So I mean, I'm just holding that position that I just showed you guys from the beginning of this video. Okay, up over 200 US dollars already on an investment of 777 US dollars. I mean, if I follow it through to at least 200 US dollars, that position is going to bring bring in over 1,000 US dollars. So the second one I want to show you guys is the China 50. This is the main index, I believe, the main Chinese index. If you guys take a look at the dailies, okay, I want to show you guys the dailies. Look at that. There is a massive breakout, a possibility that this is the beginning of a massive rally. There is one right here, and if you even want to plot it like this, I mean, you guys can see that if you want to plot it like this, okay, you can see that it looks like we are at the beginning of something massive. You guys can see there is one bottom right here, the second one, the third one, and a small one right here. Okay, so for those of you that got into this instrument like few days ago, congratulations. 15,000 US dollars for sure, as given a strong support. It has offered a strong support to bulls. So if we manage to break 16,000 US dollars, you guys can easily expect this to get to at least 17,000 US dollars, 18,000 US dollars. I mean, if everything is going on fine between China and America right now, they are negotiating. So if everything goes fine, you should expect this to rally. Okay, so all you have to do is watch this 16,000 US dollars level. If we break it, then it's going to rally further. Of course, I got in already, okay, in another portfolio. So I am presently green and I am riding this. So I'm going to be looking into adding to my positions little by little if we manage to break 16,000 US dollars. As you guys can see, the price got above the 50 daily moving average already. We blew through it yesterday, and then today we see another confirmation, a very long bullish candlestick, and I believe the trend right now, the momentum is there. Okay, so the third one I'm going to discuss with you guys is Boeing with the ticker BA. If you guys look at it very well, you can easily tell that Boeing, there is a possibility that Boeing is about to break out to the upside. Okay, we are just at the resistance level. Okay, we are just at the resistance level, and if you look at it very well, I mean, you can easily tell that this is more or less a flag. Okay, I mean, this is not the first time. You guys can see that it started from April last year. Okay, after the massive sell-off because of the lockdown, we flagged here, then we blew to the upside, then we flagged again, upside, flag again, upside, and now we are flagging, and the next upside for sure is going to take this stock closer to 300 US dollars in my opinion. This is the weekly candlestick, guys. I mean, this is something I have been watching for months. Okay, it's not something that I'm just showing you guys today and you think I just discovered it today. No, I've been watching it for months. So if this breaks out to the upside just a little bit, all we are waiting for now is like 230 US dollars, and then I'm gonna add to my position. Of course, I'm in already, so I'm just waiting for that breakout. And if it goes below, let's say 218 US dollars, I would gladly close my position and wait for it to come back down to, let's say, 200 US dollars level and get back in. Okay, so this is another one I want to show you guys. There are tons of information out there about Boeing. Of course, you guys can learn more about it. This video is just to show you guys what is about to break out. Okay, now this is the last but not the least. This is K-Web. It's all about China. Also, if everything goes fine with China, you can already tell this is a double bottom. Okay, and some people can even call it head and shoulder if you take into account this one, the head and the shoulder. Okay, so this is the weekly candlestick, you guys can see that it is also back to the bottom, and this another one you might consider adding a little bit more. This more or less like an index or ETF fund. Can't really tell right now, so but this is something I track as well, and you guys can see right here, if you can easily see a breakout looming around this level. Okay, you can see a breakout looming, and I mean, there is a possibility that this is also about to run to the upside. The ticker is KWEB. Okay, you can learn more about it as well, but this is just the technical analysis. But AliBaba is a very strong one that I am very positive about. I am expecting this rally to continue. That's all I want to share with you guys in this video. If you enjoyed this video and if you would love to hear more about this instrument, about these stocks, let me know in the comment section. I can always make a special video for you guys and tell you more about this stock. Okay, have a wonderful day, guys. See you in the next video. Consider subscribing if you enjoy this content. Ciao, ciao.